Hi everybody, this is Bowie. I like this hat because it makes me look cool. Like people think that if I wear it, I look like them. Like, oh look, she's a bit over. Like, got nice booty, nice booty. I would tap that ass. Yes, that's how you say tap that ass. People who don't know. People, I like booty. Like
Oh no, bestie.
I don't know what that is right there. Look, just that white thingy. People say it's smart. I don't think it's smart to me because I know like man like 2 times 2 is 5. Like 5 times 6 is 9. See, I'm smart. Smart in here too, you know. Maybe here. And like people think I'm not dumb. People think I'm not dumb. I don't know what I'm saying. See that girl over there? She's my new friend, Mariah. She think I'm cool, right? Right? You think I'm cool?
Right.
Yeah, she think I'm cool. We talk sometimes.
I'm afraid if I don't lose #1.
Right, this is my new friend here. What's your name?
I am EJ.
It's EJ. EJ. Biết EJ à?